Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you are on JFL TV, the home of football. So today is the first time we will see our program. So for you, we'll bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world. So for now, let's start with today's news. Alright, so Sky Germany under the journalist that they call Florian Plettenberg, they'll come outside and let us know say Arsenal don't open talks with Benjamin Henrichs gets in representative over a summer move. Now, why is Arsenal going for this player? The team is saying this player is a versatile player. He can play right back and he can play the midfield. That is why Arteta don't identify him as one of the people he would like to bring to the Emirates Stadium. If we check the way Arteta design players, the trajectory of where he's going to, he's looking at versatile players, because when they talk about squad depth, the best way to get large squad depth with little players now be versatility. If you get 5 players, but for the fact that these 5 players can play multiple positions, you can be seeing 10 players inside of these 5 players again, because you don't have the money to go and buy standalone players, like going to buy a midfielder, buy a right back, buy this one, buy that one. But that versatility is very, very key. So Arteta is trying to reinvent the wheel. Now the same thing Pep Guardiola they do, but other people never catch up to that scope. So that's what it is. That's why we are identifying. Check out the people who decide. Almost everybody can play 1 or 2 roles. Nobody they play just one place. So they leave the old ideas back, because in the future everybody have a role to play, as Arsenal will try to win the league next season or perform very well in Europe. So that's going to be our aim and objectives, because next season we still want to keep our top 4 status. We don't want to fall out of the bandwagon. So more just to watch. I never see the player play. I'll tell you, because the player plays for RB Leipzig. I've not seen him play, but according to what I'm hearing out there, they say he's a very, very nice player. So I will still go for YouTube after the show, go check how the guy they play. Then maybe in the evening I'll come even at my own report. So make yourself go check out, so that you will let me know in the comment section. Or if you don't watch them before, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Alright, Arsenal pre-season training done day on the horizon. So if you check now, you see players on the comeback. As I see, whether I give results, I see like players are coming back now, thick and fast. Because when you check our pre-season schedule, we see say July 13th we'll be playing Nuremberg at Germany. Then at the same time, July 22 we'll play MLS All Stars. Then July 26 we are going to be playing FC Barcelona. Then August 2 the Emirates Cup will kickstart, and this time around we are just playing 1 match against FC Monaco. So I mean AS Monaco. So we'll play AS Monaco. We'll play them for the Emirates Cup and we'll try and win it before we come play the Community Shield, which is going to happen August 6th. And we'll be playing the almighty Man City. We'll test ourselves against the best team in the world to see how it will be. If we go beat them, it will be very, very remarkable. Like, we go boost our morale, enter the first match of the season. I think the first match of the season against Nottingham Forest. You go boost our morale, like give us that push. Let us go say, we are back there with the elites. So I just pray say, try beat them. That match is a match to watch out for. August 6th gets, so like 1 month and 1 day from now or thereabout. So we'll just keep our fingers crossed. So this preseason, I pray it is like the preseason of the past, last season, because the ginger, the way they knock Chelsea, just they knock anybody, the Jesus they perform, the new players they perform of that last season. That was why we had a very sweeping run in our first 19 games. So they pray to get that same run of form for this same preseason, so that we will carry that rich vein of form, enter the league, they sweep anybody will come our way. So that's what me I'm saying. Alright, so what you call it here now, we say West Ham is prepared to walk away from the £105 million Arsenal rights deal. Now, West Ham complain, we say Arsenal no one compromise. They are talking about the payment terms. They need money to reinvest into the squad. So then they propose 18 months. Arsenal still stand on that 4 years. Nobody won't budge. So then they talk, they give Arsenal 72 hours. Now one West Ham page. Now first this in West Ham News, something like that, a very big page on social media. But at the same time, Fabrizio Romano can't come aside in his magnanimity. All the news owner they hear on social media say West Ham won't walk away for Declan Rice deal. It is false. That is a lie. Nothing like that. I purposely put that news out there because I know some of them will not see it. So I purposely led with that misinformation so that I can't give it the concrete one so that everybody will know what's be waiting. So Baba the talk say all those news they are not true. That this deal is very, very close. You get West Ham and Arsenal are seeing this little glitch like na minor thing. You get no be waiting for scamper the deal, no waiting for scatter everything. Na minor thing we say they will still come to a resolution. So it is very, very close because you know say in the past West Ham talking on Monday then give Arsenal make them resolve everything because themselves they in haste they want to reinvest. You get it is one thing to sell a player. It is another thing to take that money and reinvest it into the squad, which is what West Ham wants to do. But they need the money. You get even if Arsenal don't pay the money now, but at least agreement is an agreement. Once you don't agree, then I can use my own money where I don't keep for somewhere. Go do it and I won't do. Then when time reach, you will give me. I'll come replace, and that's what West Ham is looking to do because I don't think Arsenal is paying the money now. You get so. They're saying in the next 18 months, men are running. We now everybody knows we don't get any oil money anywhere. So we'll just watch it because I trust Fabrizio for him to say the deal is coming very, very close. I believe it is close. So men not disregard all those rumor mongers. So they talk say West Ham won't pull out for the deal. All those things are categorized as rumors. So let's move away from the rumors. Alright, so the defense central come outside and let us know say Arsenal is ready to move for Orlean Tchouameni of Real Madrid. And now they talk say Arsenal even the plan is £77 million offer to test the resolve of Real Madrid whether they would like to sell this player to Arsenal. Now not just Real Madrid, but Real Madrid and Manchester United now don't identify this player. They've earmarked him as a player that is going to improve their own squad. But the thing is say the player himself don't talk say he no one come up for Real Madrid, he go like to stay. But we all know say player talk, you know be waiting go fit hold, you know they hold water because a player can be saying A in the front and be telling you B at the back because Everly is owned by a club, so there's no way if you just come outside and talk to them anyhow. They disrespect them in the public domain. So that's why I believe say Tchouameni talk with him. They talk say yes I want to stay with Real Madrid, I don't want to go anywhere. So more just to watch how everything will be because of the contract when he gets with Real Madrid. Alright, so I don't believe say Nuno Tavares on the talk will say he wants to stay for Arsenal this summer. I believe he's seeing the handwriting on the wall that Arsenal is going to be a banger this season. He wants to eat part of the meal where they cook for Arsenal. But the thing is say I don't even think there's a place for him now. It's unfortunate. Yes, he's a good player. But this guy Nuno Tavares them they need to go out on loan where they go develop more because the level where they good over the level where they will run past that level now. And I believe say everybody unanimously agree say the level where we dey and the level where Tavares dey. So we don't pass that level. Get if he come as and say maybe all those kind of cup, the beginning stage of cups, we will use them. One cup not enter that kind of semi-final and quarter final and the senior men go dey enter because now they say then when they drop the boys, when they use the men. So maybe now what we use them they do. But if you don't want that one, make Kokoma just find square roots, go loan, look for how you go take, go another loan, go develop and become the finished product and come and join us. So that's what me I'm seeing. And yes, the guy said they perform very well for this Portuguese under 21. They played very well, try, but England knocked them sharp, so they don't come out. So let's proceed. Alright now, so what will they hear now to say Bayer Leverkusen and Arsenal, so they don't agree in 21.5 million offer for Granit Xhaka. Say the guy goes go buy Leverkusen. I was hoping that Arsenal will allow him stay, he gets, but it be like say that in pull from your wife. But they possibly like go Germany, that pull they very, very strong, yeah. So but it is what it is. But my happiness is the fact that we've actually elevated that 13 million pound offer we buy Leverkusen. They offer us to about 20 something million pounds. So it makes sense because if we they buy player, sure. There's a question people they always ask me for social media. They will say, Sir CHUKS, for the comment section. They will say, Sir CHUKS, why we say if we want to sign other people player, the price will go up. But if people want to sign our own player, the price will be very, very low. Why? The answer is just that because we have a lot of average players, yes. So and we said if we want to buy other people average players, so we want to give them high proposition, big money. If they carry the money go up, we will not go get shots, we will still buy. Imagine a paper, you buy people 17 million pounds and you want to resell it. You cannot even get somebody to come and offer you 20 million pounds. We showed you that we signed an average player. Yes, so most of all our players, remember last season I told you guys, majority of what we get, then be average. You get none of them if we command even 50 million, say you want to sell them. And that is the truth. It is just now that we're signing elite players that have resale value because those who they signed in the past, they had no resale value. So that's just the issue with our own players. So, but that one don't mean they're no good though. But moving forward, we will sign A-class players. So that's what it just be. Alright, so what they say, Arsenal they set to extend Saliba and Nelson contract, because initially what did they sign a verbal contract? Yes, I will sign. Yes, I have agreed to sign. So, but the next stage now is for them to do it in, to put pen to paper and sign the contract, do photo shoots, snap picture, and unveil it to everybody that yes, this boy has extended his contract with us for extra 4 years or 5 years or thereabouts. So that is what is next. So, but we all know they've accepted Arsenal terms verbally. Yes, I don't agree. So we tell the men now, make them make everything official. So till they do so, Luis Nelson will still be a free agent, and Saliba self will still there in limbo, even though he don't agree. But we tell the men, do and make it official. So that's what it be. About Ryan Taylor, also come in the comments and let us know, say Arsenal is very, very reluctant to meet the valuation of Southampton for Romeo Lavia, and that valuation is how much? It is £45 million. So Arsenal they look say that money it is very, very high. Yes. And what did they make Southampton? What did they cloud their judgments? That the fact say they don't reject £50 million for this Romeo Lavia from Chelsea in the past, and they have a buy-on clause or a buyback clause with Man City for £40 million. So all those things, when they cloud their judgment, when they make them they feel say the player is more valuable than that amount. But Arsenal is looking at it and saying, no, this player is not that valuable like that. In good though, but the amount we're not supposed to sell this guy. For me personally, I'm still like 25-30 million pounds at most. That extra 10 million we do on top or 15 million on top, it is very, very big with that big money. So they still discuss, but all we know is say Arsenal know they hold Lavia as a priority. Yes, Lavia name is on our list, our wish list. Casado is still there, even though we don't walk away. Chouameni is there. Many players there for that our wish list. I don't say according to that wish list, we are going to be looking at our scale of preference. What is the player? Who is the player we need? Who are the players we want? So now the ones we there for our need corner, you get. Now those ones they carry ASAP, you get. The ones we our wants corner, that one will be priority now. I don't be like say we need them like they do or die. But that need all, or more like a declarized priority one, it gets needed. You get. The difference between your needs and your wants. So all those things and the distinctions we they drive Arteta, the Gaspar, Richard Garlic, and St. Louis in how they decide Arsenal's future moving forward. Alright, so for those who are not aware, our website CHUKS.com is live. You get, so it is live. We are still tweaking some things in the background, but it's only the tweak, no get anything to do with the homepage. Those are just the database and all that things, but it is live. Every show what we do, you will see I'm there immediately as the show they finish. You will be seeing it there. So this website, the major people with the thing will really help. Now those who dey for Facebook, we no really get a YouTube account, we no really like to go on YouTube. That was why I made that thing, because these last few days, when we say Facebook restricted us from posting for 4 days. A lot of people waiting for Facebook that one day, like they don't get our updates yet. But on that website, you don't need to register. All you have to do is visit CHUKS.com. On the homepage, you see all our videos there as we drop them. I copy the format of YouTube, the way YouTube did. That's what they copy and design the page so that people get used to that same format. So the newest updates now go there for the top. If you watch from mobile, the newest updates now you will see once you enter the page. If you watch and finish, you can scroll right, watch the next video, scroll. You watch them like that. So every time, because in the morning after shooting, editing, and if I want to upload, we upload on YouTube first. After YouTube, now upload on Facebook. So immediately the same time when the thing they drop on YouTube, we are updating our website. Also, it is dropping on our website. So if you're on Facebook, you can actually go on the website and watch it, and come back and watch it to Facebook on when it drops. So I say make I let you know, I go give you now, I just the update you now, so that this thing will come remain for now subconscious. So let you know say CHUKS.com is live and here to serve you. Alright, let's proceed. Alright, so Rio Ferdinand come and say talk say neither Arsenal nor Manchester United have the firepower, have the money, you get, have the appeal to bring Mbappe. You get, so Mbappe will only join one team, and that team is Real Madrid. Even Pep Guardiola said don't come and say for me that says where they ask and say, but how far now? If they sign Mbappe, which they saw, Mbappe say you and I know that there's only one club that he wants to go to, and that club is not Man City. Mbappe wants to play for Real Madrid because he believes if he wants to be the best player in the world, he has to play for Real Madrid. And Real Madrid, they recruit some kind young players. If you say in the next 3-4 years, by the time they go Beira, only God know. And also they hear that they plan to bring back Zinedine Zidane, the famous manager that won, I think, back to back Champions League. So the future is somehow, what does the watch? Any idea will be able to let you know. Alright, so El Neni, for those who know they are aware, he don't recover from a lengthy injury. So the question I'm asking now is, what happens to El Neni? Are we selling him? Are we keeping him? What is the plan he gets for this El Neni for Arsenal? Well, I don't really know. I think I just throw that question up there. Do you think El Neni still has a place at Arsenal? You get where he will play? We are looking at the cups. Though we need people to play cups. You get people rub holding over the field, say 1 fine square rules, go Turkey. But that's still day. You get before you don't have preseason will start. Everybody will see the preseason. Well, now by the time we Arsenal will do the registration, we'll know how many players are they registering for this new league. Well, we'll just watch us everything from Turner. So my dear Arsenal lovers, if you know what yesterday, you should check the top left corner of the screen. You will see the thumbnail. Click and so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So it's CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. And get out.